Yeah. Shalom, 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 shalom. Compose here even. Gan, shalom. I'm the brother Malawan from GMS Suriname coming back with another quick lesson. Before I start with this lesson, I want to give all praises and honors to Yahweh Bashim Yahushai Bashim Rakakwadah Shalamat. I want to give double honors to the elders and apostles of Karim Millstone, man, and word of double honors and much love and salutations unto the brothers out there. They are teaching this word in truth and sincerity. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Gan. So we're going to go into this article and then into the scriptures, But I'm switch over to the Suriname language so my people here may understand me. So this is the main page of the People's Voice. Bill Gates caught pumping abortion drugs into U.S. water supply. Critical levels detected in major cities. A new study has found detectable levels of a powerful abortion drug in municipal water in major cities across America. And it just so happens the water supply in these cities is quietly controlled by globalist billionaire Bill Gates, who seized control of vast aquifers, water tables, and untapped reservoirs lying underneath major urban centers when he became America's largest owner of farmland. The study published issues in Law and Medicines looked at levels of mifepristone in water collected from various sources in Austin, Texas, Blacksburg, Virginia, and Corbandale, Illinois. Kan Ushi. Milfordstone is a synthetic steroid that is used to end pregnancies up to 10 weeks in the form of a pill. It was one of the most common methods for medical abortion in the US. It works in combination with another drug to cause the uterine lining to be shed, taking the implanted fetus with it. It's basically the muffin, abortus, um, ja, enough other model van voorbehoedsmiddel. Maar, ano gewoon funo kisip ching. Dis na te kisip ching ba, yo las ap ching die gebruik dis. Isabito. Wa abortus medicatie. Isabito. Dis ma fene ina watera. En a watera dat, de ma fene ina watera in de biggie staten voor Amerika. En zo toevallig, asem watera dat, Bill Gates e control, isabito. Ap I own ala desandati, isabito. Dus alla de vinga is orgona ma van dat na na you set ik maar dat moest voor dat al hier zijn maar sinds de you owners and that of isabito. Dus dat according to the scriptures me sorry van dat I don't know the man is this. Since in a time for Egypt the man is bedi in a spirit sokba. In a peace tender na the Egyptians be about spirit is the Africa. No as am spirit that count up the wet man no de. En a sense te de mai sukuf kiru no sukuf fermender unu sense thing. Isabito, hope this now a quick lesson isabito. Os mirei uit. Isabito. Mas since de mais de inasem spirit desse. Isabito. Who fermenter de Israelite, who kier de Israelite. Isabito. Maar ja, go with the scriptures. Come look. This is the book of Exodus, chapter 15. No, it's the book of Exodus, chapter 1, verse 15. And the king of Egypt spake to the Hebrew midwives, of which the name of the one was Sifra, and the name of the other was Puah. Verse 16. And he said, when ye do the office of a midwife to the Hebrew woman, and ye see them upon the stools, if it be a son, then you shall kill him. But if it be a daughter, then she shall live. Yes, she thought this. Fosi, a Pharaoh for Egypt. Betegi de Hebrew midwife dat im select des aan de vroedvrouw. Want ik, hey, tego beval baby, ja, umasma. Die de Hebrew vrouw, en ook umasma. Die de vrouw van unu, de Israëliet vrouw. Tego, je hebt dem sabit bevallen. De je van dat, hey, nou een boy, im kira boy. En if je van dat nou een meisje dat ik kan niet ben. Isabit, reden zij de vrouw betak dat. Omdat one nation e komoro bigi door de manengere. Na de manengere e me kip chingo moro fara. E ki vrouw bere di sanga dat. Ma if so umas made. China ma mengo moro fara. Isabi ito, if ik ook bijvoorbeeld, er zijn 400 vrouwen in een stad. En er is maar één man. Een woman dat ik kan zwanger alle de voorbaar die vrouw dat in een jaar. 3 jaar zijn er 400 extra mensen daar. Om een woman dat. Dat maakt vrouw wel ook van nou in keer de manier. Want dan de manier is zorg ervoor dat een nation ik kom op bigi. Want dan dingen brand Syrië verdwaal. De vrouw na gewoon in Chile kagro. Isabito. In sa Asiri egro. Isabito. En gro kan de wins fa ofuru ade. Maar if Syrië no def pot in a gro. Next negro derape. Isabito. En dat make vrouw make de midwife do asanati. Maar ko look if this man way. It's book of Exodus chapter 1 verse 17. But the midwives feared Yahweh and did not as the king of Egypt commanded them, but saved the man children alive. Yeshito, this man not doing. Wala this man befreda moro iwa. Isabito. Verse 18. And the king of Egypt called for the midwives and said unto them, Why have ye done this thing, and have saved the man's children alive? And the midwives said unto Pharaoh, Because the Hebrew women are not as the Egyptian women, for they are lively, and are delivered ere the midwives come in unto them. Yeshito. Dus dan nou, de vroedvrouw legt aan Farao uit van de Israëliet vrouw, de Hebrew vrouw, de semblek de Afrikaan vrouw. Isabito. De sma cha energie, de sma de lively. Isabito. En de sma bevallig bafos ook de sma. Isabito. Wat ook zo is, Isabito, dat de vrouw voor uno, de bevallen, de ap energie. In luko tak de Edomite woman, dan de Transition woman, de bevallen. Flow de klari, isabi na wasa sa mission na bifro sa defi, bifro na wa ingi, isabi to. Bisi pa nang das, mapapala na, laya nga ina si eple nga bibi, duwala sot sani, isabi takho leg next nop sa, isabi to. Do de hida na buru ya de move fokom de, na ina si lo mutra nga klari, isabi to, barkri wala sot sani, isabi to. Maar de Israelite woman, de abib chin so moro kakti. Isabi dus, dat is ook zo, en na wasansa, de met wife schreef, na excuse sa rin gebruik ook te voegen Farao of mek Farao no wara tu si tap desma. Wanda isa ni mer hun skill to ina ka kong na ma e wara bibig ba e play na nga bibig e kong ko kir bibig. Use re for it. Isa bita mas ro kir you. Isa bita plus amorio o jot you. Ma desma no kir no asma. Na desma be frede amoro hiwa. Isa bita. Verse 20. Therefore Yahweh dealt well with the midwives, and the people multiplied and waxed very mighty. And it came to pass, because the midwives feared Yahweh, that he made them houses. And Pharaoh charged all his people, saying, Every son that is born ye shall cast into the river, and every daughter shall be safe alive. Yes, ito. Yes, the Pharaoh she fatak ya. The midwife no arkamang and the people like komoro furu Pharaoh tak matak lupuna. Ate igides mafi matak lupuna. Alam mo isa kaborog de Hebrew Israel ito. Umbong de gwina liba kirde. That Pharaoh taki. Sabi to the sense ina foste. Na same spirit that the Africa be abi. Sabi and na same spirit that Esau abi. And the midwife is that for the midwife no arki Pharaoh. And they do sa amori wa be wan de no kien no as pa make amori wa del bunang ade. Muna make san waka gide. Sabi to na so amori wa edil. Amori wa no righteous power. Isabi to. Maar Pharaoh na ba yere no abde sa dati. Toch ama de drukke wel godoro. Isabi to. Patak alas maf mi patak ala boy sa kabora mus trowe na liba. Kiri. Isabi to. And in a same spirit that Bill Gates e konti de day. Isabi to. In a same spirit that echo. Sukuf kirip ching. No more they want kirip ching. Del fake, no illegal thing. Isabi to. According to the law, is murder. Wins ade inabere ete da dapit Amerika da kwa nga 10,000 excuse to. Na nga 10,000 excuse de mo ko nagyate ade under 10 week da ano nga libisma ete is mana fetus anak libi ete walo sa da fa egro. Fa asano aplibi da egro. Isabi to. Asa sa ne club siref sirefi. E fa sa no be aplibi to. Da ana bogro ko inwan libisma. Asa mus grogo inwan libisma. Asa mus aplibi grogo inwan libisma. Sabi ina katay mita ko nga siri na aplibi. Também putem bom que conta para de egro contra uma grupo da fa asan no aplibi asan aplibi isabito ala de sandat aplibi na kane wa furu exi no aplibi na temelibe e wa ho na wa kay kan check moto e na fa asan no aplibi asan sulanga asan egro contra no libi san asan aplibi ba isabito e fasan no be aplibi lek be fo be afi khar same ho jamili ba fi khar ya tamara mi if mi ko wis ba ka ba ya if mi ko afi khar dis no opok na pu wa ka ma ang fetus well. If ilibihon so inas mabere as mo bafala and a baby okri. Isabito, asan aplibig pa. Managwanga walo excuse, yeah, it's just a clump of cells, is this, is that. So excuses of kirapchi. Of kirapching. If him kiro asan, that was an asan aplibi. If him kiring a aplibi, that is low his. Isabito. Mana ira right now, ira no, abdesan nati. This man na kiri, dewa kiri ching, na so de dekba. Na so de spirit make ba. Isabito. But it's not how the so that according to the scripture na in a same spirit Bill Gates ekong, in a same spirit the Edomite ekong. Fu kiri ching, na was ansa de lobby. Isabito. The lob do asan disi. Fu formende Israel. Manish ko de black. Man ko furu sa pin America. Wis fa pedra iluko na so jake yeshi. So jake. And the kofuru. Isabito. Kaya, eu palestra dis edify unu meu abo unu khuluf ob na ngaran yon ala presa grandi bakana mo rayon so kargado warakal kane fukaro na ya hawa and warakal kane fu abo fukaro na ya oshai. I want to give all praise and honors to Yahweh Bashim Yahushai Bashim Rakakuda Shalamat. I want to give double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone. May the word of the double honors and much love and salutations unto the brothers out there that are teaching this word in truth and sincerity. Shalom.